Welcome. If you ever wondered how to make your stickers come to life whenever you interact with them on Discord, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll show how to enable animated stickers on interaction so you can add a bit of fun and motion to your chats. Let's get started. First, open Discord on your phone or tablet. Once the app is open, take a look at the bottom right of your screen. You'll see your profile icon there. Go ahead and tap it to open your account settings. Next, tap on the small settings icon. It's usually represented by a gear symbol. This is where you can control most of your personal preferences and accessibility options. Now, scroll down until you find the accessibility section. This area is where Discord lets you customize visual effects, motion settings, and how certain features react or appear in your app. Tap on accessibility to open those settings. Keep scrolling through the accessibility menu until you reach the section labeled stickers. You'll notice a few options related to how Discord displays sticker animations. Look for the setting that says Animate on Interaction. This is the key option that makes stickers move when you click or tap on them. Tap it to enable the feature. Once turned on, your stickers will only animate when you interact with them instead of playing all the time. This small change helps keep Discord smooth and prevents too many animations from playing at once while still letting you enjoy the fun, expressive side of stickers when you use them in your chats.